Today I am going to show you how to make a earring stand from a Pringle box. Yes, an empty Pringle box which you would otherwise throw. So let's begin. First I will start covering this Pringle box. Now the choice is yours. If you all do not want to cover it, you all can leave it as it is. I want it to look a little different, not like a Pringle box, so I will cover it with a paper. Once I am done applying glue on this Pringle box, I will just cover it in this way. Leave the folds, the wrinkles that you see, that will all be there because of the glue. The end part is your choice. If you all want to cut, you all can cut it out, but I thought I'll just make a fan fold in this way and give it a design look, so that it will look a little unique and cute as well. For the bottom portion, I'm just going to fold it in this way. Just fold it all throughout. I wouldn't advise you all to cut it, otherwise it will not look neat. And once I am done folding it, I'm going to apply tape. So basically apply tape and then trim the bottom part and fold it in. In this way, the tape will hold firm with the cuts. Otherwise, again there will be wrinkles because there's no space for the tape to fold around the circular portion. Once I'm done taping the bottom portion, it's time to start making holes. Yes, I will take a cutter and poke it in this way. Please mind your fingers. Kids, if you all are doing this, please take the help of an adult. And then simply keep working my way to make a hole. Now if your kids are using divider, you all can use that and make holes and then widen up the hole using a scissor point in this way. Let's check how does our earring look. So it looks pretty cute. This is something new that I am trying, so I was excited. So we'll now continue with making the holes. At a little distance, I will make again 2 holes in the same way, continuing them all through the line. On the other part, I will do it in an alternate side. So in that way, my earrings will be spaced out nicely. This is still moist because of the glue, so work it out when it is moist because it will be easier to make the holes. Now since I'm done making all the holes on this Pringle box, I'm going to start hanging on my earrings. This comes in use for multiple kind of earrings. Now on the topmost hole, the earrings with screw will be better so that you do not need to put your fingers deep below the box. So only on the topmost portion you all can put the earrings with screw, and the hanging ones you can put them a little below on the other holes. Doesn't it look cute? Many of us have the habit of changing our earrings on daily basis, so having a stand like this does help because you do not need to go digging through your box where is the earring or is the pair missing. Also on the topmost side, you all can place earrings in this way, especially round big ones, and the jhumki type circular ones, you all can place them in the hole. So this is how the stand looks once it's done. Isn't it cute? Out of waste you're making the best. So do let me know how did you all like this new DIY Pringle box earring stand, and if you all have any other requests, do feel free to leave it in the comment section. For those of you all who are first time visitors to my channel, it's a request to please click on the subscribe button. I'll see you next time with many more tips, tricks and hacks.